Supported by Amazon Web Services, government agencies are responding to the demands of citizens and legislators to adopt digital solutions. Here, we'll show you 5 examples of how digital solutions built on the AWS cloud can transform government services.
Let's start with customer experience. Today, citizens expect the same high standard of web and mobile experience from their governments as they do from commercial services. For example, purchasing tickets to a national park can be just as easy as ordering concert tickets online. It's all about adopting a citizen-centered strategy that enables you to deliver a personalized and highly engaging end-to-end experience.
Many federal agencies are already using AWS products and services to do just this. These agencies include the Census Bureau, Centers for Disease Control, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. When extreme events occur, government agencies and non-governmental organizations must rely on operational excellence for speed and agility in their response. For citizens, this timely response can sometimes mean the difference between life and death. During these events, governments can help citizens identify safe zones and shelters and connect them with resources. Digital tools also enable the gathering of critical information, including areas where there is extreme need and gaps in access. The American Red Cross leveraged Amazon Connect to support volunteers in the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. The call center was stood up in just 48 hours and proved invaluable to volunteers as 2 more devastating hurricanes, Maria and Nate, followed soon after.
With climate change, loss of biodiversity, and growing demand for natural resources from stressed ecosystems, making sustainable land use decisions with the latest and most accurate data is critical. The U.S. Forest Service, Bureau of Land Management, and NASA all work with AWS partners and AWS Open Data to inform land use decisions. They receive key information on past and present land conditions, which is critical to accelerating the right response to environmental change.
AWS is expanding its health equity initiative to include a new focus area, diagnostics. One example is Hyrax Biosciences. The organization is using the cloud to bring diagnostic treatments to low and middle-income countries. The South Africa-based bioinformatics software company is enabling the analysis of the COVID-19 genome to better understand and track progress of the virus in Africa. This allows national and international health authorities to monitor infections, quickly identify and understand new variants, and take rapid action. Hyrax is scaling their genomic sequencing technology to address other diseases, including HIV, tuberculosis, and malaria. Next-generation sequencing data is both large-scale and computation-heavy. AWS allows them to process large amounts of raw genomic data in hours instead of days or weeks.
Correctly identifying rapidly changing fraud patterns in real time is challenging. The task is even more complex for government agencies. According to a Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services 2020 report, the Medicaid program distributed more than $86 billion in improper payments, while the Office of Management and Budget estimates that between fiscal year 2020 and 2021, the U.S. government-wide improper payment rate rose by almost 29%.
The Maryland Department of Human Services designed and built Maryland's Total Human Services Integrated Network. This platform gives not only a holistic view of citizens receiving benefits, but also analyzes data across agencies. It helps identify anomalies in benefit payment.
Learn more about how AWS can help transform your agency. Reach out to your account manager